Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Entertainment and Culture Ministry is refuting a statement made by artist, manager and promoter Junior Heavy Fraser that reggae artist Etana is yet to receive US $5,000 in grant promised to her early this year. Fraser, who was a guest presenter at last Friday's launch of the Dancehall Archives and Research Initiative at the University of the West Indies, chided the authorities for their lack of support for dancehall music. In response, the Entertainment and Culture Ministry confirmed that the funds were disbursed to Etana shortly after the announcement in February. The money, which was allocated from the Artist, Ambassador and Tour Support Program out of the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, will assist the artist in her promotional tour 32 cities covering North America. Etana is the first female recipient of the grant, which was developed back in 2013. Freddie McGregor, Protégé, Kabaka Pyramid, and the Bebel Rockers and Grammy nominee Raging Fire have all benefited from the fund. Etana recently gained her second #1 album on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart with the release of Reggae Forever.
Reggae Forever was majority written by me. Maybe 95% of the songs on the album was written by me. So I do have a strong connection to all of them. They're all my babies. Get to #1 is an incredible feeling because it's my first independent project. I mean, the first time that I got to #1, I was happy. I was excited about the support that everyone gave me for the album.
Etana is the first female artist to have back-to-back reggae albums hit #1 on the Billboard charts. The writings of reggae king Bob Marley will soon be integrated into the classrooms at the University of Nebraska. Jamaican-born Dr. Kwame Dawes will be teaching a section of English 207, Reading Popular Literature, which will focus on Bob Marley's lyrics. The course will run from July 9 to August 9. According to Dr. Dawes, the course intends to shed the many misconceptions about the reggae artist so that students can start to understand Bob Marley's true self. Dr. Dawes, who is also a co-founder of the biennial Calabash Literary Festival, noted that students taking the class will learn about Jamaican culture, post-colonial history, popular music and Caribbean literature, among other things. The Calabash Literary Festival will be held June 1 to 3 at Jake's and Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth. Embattled hip-hop artist Meek Mill was released yesterday, only spending 5 months of his prison sentence. The news broke when comedian Kevin Hart confirmed his release via Instagram with a photo of the two and a post. The hip-hop community immediately reacted with Jay-Z and Tia extending hearty welcome home to the rapper. Hart and Meek Mill then attended the Philadelphia 76ers versus Miami Heat's basketball game last night, where the rapper, a Philadelphia native, also rang the opening bell to loud applause. Meek Mill, real name Robert Williams, sparked controversy when he was sentenced last November to 2 to 4 years in prison for violating his probation, which includes popping a wheelie on a motorcycle in the streets of New York and getting arrested in Missouri. The sentencing sparked widespread outrage among his fans and celebrities who chastised the system for treating minorities unfairly. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.